How to reset your Discord password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to recover access to your account when you've forgotten your password. First, open the Discord app on your Android device and tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the settings icon at the top right to open the settings page. From there, tap on Account and then tap on Password. You'll notice it asks for your old password to make any changes, so if you've forgotten it, you won't be able to reset it from here. At this point, go back to the settings page and scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Logout. In the next step, on the login screen, enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Following this, instead of entering your password, tap on Forgot Password just below the password field. Once done, enter your email address in the field provided and tap Send. Discord will send a reset link straight to that email. From here, open your email app and find the message from Discord, then tap the reset link inside it. At this stage, you'll be taken to a page where you can set a brand new password. Make sure it's something strong and easy for you to remember. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen steps to confirm your new password, and you'll be logged back into your Discord account right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your Discord password on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.